night, everyone. It is me, Jordan Long, Jordan Long here, or Jordan Mulan Long here. I don't know. And today I'm going to be talking about, you know, why I cough in my films. Or it's not really coughing, it's more of cleaning out my throat. And everyone has beliefs or thoughts to why this is. But at the end of the day, they don't truly know. So they give their thoughts, their beliefs. And you might like to hear some of their thoughts and beliefs. Well, need be you're worried about making films. Need be you're shy about making films. Well, first off, Woody, if I was worried or shy of making films, then I wouldn't be making, then I wouldn't be on here at all if I was that way. Now, don't get me wrong, there are folks who are shy when it comes to, you know, standing up and doing work and lead of folks or making films or whatever, but I don't have that bind. Well, maybe you're coming down with something. Well, I already had the cold towards the end of the 2-diff month, you know. So, yeah, that's all over with. Well, maybe the room's too dusty. Well, if that was true, Woody, then I would be coughing all the time. Not only when I'm making films, but also when I'm not making films. Well, did you ever think about drinking something before you made your films? Yeah, and it doesn't really seem to help either, you know. You know. Well, those are some of the things that, well, maybe you do a lot of talking in your films and your body doesn't know how to handle that talking. Hey, I do a lot of talking when I'm not making films too. And I don't see myself coughing all the time, so I don't know why that is. And those are some of the, I don't want hair, well, I want it behind me. Those are some, see, just did it. Those are some of the beliefs of why I do it. And I don't truly know why I do it. And none of them seem to be the answer. Now, there's going to be some folks out there, both on the interweb and off the interweb, who would think that you shouldn't do this, that you shouldn't be coughing, or sneezing, or burping. And in the past, that's what it was. In the past, it was, see, every once in a while, I can make a film where there is no coughing, you know. But that's rare and in between, because most of the time they're on. And some folks will say you shouldn't cough or sneeze or burp in films. Well, it's a body setup, and what are folks going to do? What, make fun of you for it? Yeah, there already are folks that do that. Oh well, they burp, they sneeze, they cough too. So yeah, they should be making fun of themselves too then, right? Well, I'm sorry I'm sorry that it happens, you know. Well, I'm sorry that it happens, Jordan. You know. Well, thank you for saying that, Woody. That means a lot. And none of the things that you brought up, or none of the things that I brought up, seems to be the answer. And now I got a hair just. You would think that being a doll, your hair wouldn't go over the stead. But it likes to. It likes to go over the stead. And I don't like it when it does that. Yeah, I should have made this film Bad Hair Day, but then that would have been every film. You know? But then that would have been every film that would have been me talking about that. And now my hair's all fucked up and wants to go everywhere. I don't want it to go everywhere. Yeah, well, You know us dolls, unless they're either shit painting on hair or they're putting it on, you know, they put the paint on here, I'm gonna go worry about that. Yeah, that's not the grounds of this film, but it's just something else that came up and irked me. But anyway, none of the things that I do, or none of the answers, or the answer to why I do that in my films. I don't know. And could someone tell me why doll hair just likes to go all over the stead? You know, can someone tell me that? But that would be another film for another day. Anyway, I guess I gotta cut some of this shit off. Anyway, that's all the time I have. You know, get away around my neck. Stop it. Stop hanging around my neck. So if you like this film, then you can give it a thumb. You can like it, share it, playlist it, and I'll see you later.